Best wishes, dear Starseeds. Today, we begin on a momentous journey together, transcending time and space. As we assemble in this sacred time, we are urged to awaken the radiant light inside ourselves and uncover the genuine core of who we are. This message is more than just a light of hope, it is a cry to arms, inspiring the courage and confidence required to carry out our divine purpose on Earth. In this precious moment, we are at the beginning of a new journey, one lighted by the beautiful light within us. This is a plea to all starseeds to awaken and complete the soul mission that brought you to Earth. You came to help humanity and the planet soar to higher planes of existence. It is time to face your fears, recover your authority, and take strong action. Looking back, 2023 was a significant year for Starseeds. The first half of the year was characterized by a waiting period. Many of you had a strong desire to move forward, but were held back by unseen forces. This was a period of intense meditation and preparation, rather than stagnation. It was time to look within, face your own fears and uncertainties, and discover your actual self. As the year continued, we moved into the action phase. The universe aligned, and forces began to support us as we took courageous moves toward our aims. Starseeds all around the planet began to realize their role and actively contributed to Earth's ascension. This transition was not just personal, but it had a global impact, hastening the planet's journey to higher consciousness. Accept this trip with an open heart and unwavering spirit. The time for waiting is over. Now is the time to fully express your inner light, to transform yourself and the world around you. Let us work together to realize our genuine potential and live our destiny. Personal empowerment is a journey of realizing your full potential. At the center of this journey is the practice of internal dialogue. Listening to and trusting your inner voice allows you to access the wisdom hidden deep within your soul. Meditation and prayer are spiritual techniques that help you improve your inner connection and find your true self. Transforming your belief systems is another critical component of personal empowerment. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your world. By replacing negative ideas with positive affirmations, you can start to retrain your mind and spirit. Affirmations like, "I have unlimited power," might help you awaken your inner strength and tap into your boundless vitality. Following your intuition is the compass that will lead you on your spiritual journey. Intuition is the voice of your higher self, gently guiding you to the proper actions and judgments. Trusting and acting on your intuition helps to create new realities and aligns you with your divine mission. As you follow this inner guidance, you contribute to Earth's ascension and raise the collective consciousness. The concept of ideal timelines demonstrates that the perfect realities you seek are already present in the cosmos. These timelines represent regions in which your utmost potential and goals are fully realized. By focusing on positive ideas and employing daily affirmations, you can align yourself with these ideal timelines. This alignment allows you to slip into various realities, manifesting the life you choose, while also contributing to the world's harmonic progress. Accept these practices with an open heart and unwavering spirit. Your journey of personal development demonstrates the enormous power and light that you possess. As you shift your beliefs, trust your intuition, and align with ideal timelines, you will come into your full power and accomplish your divine destiny on Earth. Maintaining your energy's purity and vigor is critical on the mystical path of personal empowerment. This starts with the sacred practice of energy cleaning. Regular energy work, such as meditation, breathing exercises, and the use of crystals or herbs, can help cleanse and balance your energy field. These techniques clear out negative energy, restore balance, and raise your vibratory frequency, allowing your inner light to shine brightly. Setting boundaries is another critical part of energy management. In a world full of many energies, setting clear boundaries protects your energy and maintains your inner holiness. These barriers serve as a shield, protecting your spiritual essence from outside influences. Respecting and enforcing these limits ensures that your energy is pure and undisturbed. Daily spiritual maintenance routines are essential for keeping your inner light alive. Regular practices, such as energy cleansing and boundary setting, strengthen your spirit while also keeping your energy field lively and robust. These rituals serve as a daily reminder of your dedication to spiritual well-being, maintaining your connection to the divine and grounding your inner strength. Accept these spiritual activities with passion and concentration. Energy cleansing purifies your spirit and raises your vibration. Setting and honoring boundaries protects and maintains your precious energy and inner holiness. And via daily rituals, you maintain the strength and purity of your inner light, empowering yourself to carry out your divine duty on earth. Striving for ultimate harmony is a spiritual path of inner serenity and unity with the universe. This fundamental connection enables you to connect with the cosmic rhythms, resulting in a symphony of harmony within and around you. By sustaining inner peace, you may act with clarity and truthfulness. This inner peace expands outward, sending waves of harmony to others and raising the communal consciousness. Daily thankfulness and affirmation activities are effective tools for this journey. Gratitude, the simple but powerful act of acknowledging the benefits in your life, raises your vibratory frequency. It opens your heart to the vastness of the universe and attracts wonderful energy. Each moment of thankfulness is a beacon of light, attracting more of what you value. Positive affirmations, on the other hand, are expressions of your most profound truths and wishes. Repeating affirmations like, "I am filled with peace and harmony," or "I attract positive energy," instills these thoughts in your subconscious, changing your reality. These affirmations direct your energy toward your finest objectives, producing a magnetic field that attracts your deepest dreams. Embrace these mystical practices with a sincere heart and an open mind to the beauties of the cosmos. Striving for ultimate harmony via inner serenity and unification ties you to the endless web of existence. Daily gratitude and affirmations function as guiding lights, raising your vibratory frequency and attracting positive energy. Together, these practices illumine your path, guiding you to a life of profound harmony and limitless blessings. As star seeds, we are all on a glorious journey to illuminate our inner light and contribute to the evolution of the planet. Each of us is a source of divine energy, and our individual actions are the sparks that propel the vast ascension process. We create a light tapestry by working together to raise humanity's and the planet's consciousness. We have now entered a new and critical part of this journey, and action is essential. The time for contemplation and preparation is over, and we must now rely on our inner direction to lead us. By picturing our desired futures, we can create powerful intentions that affect our reality. These visions serve as a compass, guiding us toward our ultimate goals. Taking positive acts that coincide with our soul's mission is the key to realizing these dreams. Every activity, no matter how small, contributes to the collective ascension. Trust your inner wisdom, which is the voice of your higher self, directing you toward your actual destiny. As we move forward with courage and conviction, we help to create a brighter, more harmonious world. Accept this new chapter with an open heart and unwavering spirit. Our journey is one of unity and evolution, with each starseed's light shining brilliantly and illuminating the way for others. Together, We are the drivers of Earth's evolution, and our united efforts will usher in a new period of peace, love, and knowledge. As we embark on this mystical adventure together, the value of unity and collaboration cannot be emphasized. We must continue to walk this path together, supporting and encouraging one another as we work toward our common goal of ascension and enlightenment. Trust in your inner power, for it is the divine flame that propels you forward and illuminates your path. In this new phase, let us remember to accept our inner direction, picture our desired futures, and do constructive acts that are consistent with our soul's mission. By doing so, we contribute not only to our own personal development, but also to the collective progress of the Earth. Each step we take, every goal we make, and every action we take contributes to the collective energy propelling us toward a future of wealth and harmony. Let us harness the power of our inner light and flash it brilliantly for all to see. We can work together to create a reality based on peace, love, and harmony. Our joint efforts, motivated by our inner power and directed by our best goals, will usher in a new era of profound transformation and divine harmony. Carry these facts with you as we come to the end of this chapter of our journey. Continue to believe in your own inner strength and never underestimate the significance of your actions on the collective consciousness. We are infinitely powerful when we work together to create a future that represents our deepest wants and highest goals. Let us march forward with confidence and conviction, knowing that when our lights shine together, they have the power to alter the world. The road continues, and together, we will light the way to a brighter, more harmonious future for everyone.